Poinsettia, also known as the Christmas star, poinsettia has bright red, white, or pink bracts. This plant is popular in the winter months and requires bright, indirect light. Clivia. Clivia is a beautiful houseplant known for its bright orange or red flowers. It requires minimal care and can bloom in the winter months, adding vibrant colors to the interior. Showy medanilla. This exotic plant from the Philippines has large, pink inflorescences. Showy medanilla prefers bright, diffused light and high humidity. Gloriosa. Gloriosa, or flame lily, is known for its unusual bright red flowers with yellow edges. This plant requires warm conditions and plenty of light to bloom well. Vanda orchid. The Vanda orchid is one of the most spectacular orchids with bright and diverse flowers. These plants require high humidity and good lighting, but bloom for an extended period with proper care. Thank you for watching.